So let's move to people, because that seems to always be at the core of every single discussion, the core of every problem, the core to every single solution. How do you know if you have the right people, and any tips, advice for breeding the right culture that speaks reliability and cares about root cause versus patching a problem?
So the right people. So there's a couple of things here. One, they have to be a cultural fit. That's the highest priority. If they are either already know everything, completely unwilling to learn, don't focus your efforts there. There are a number of people that are going to be straight and on board and can't wait to succeed. There's going to be a number of people that are on the fence and you've got to tip them one way or the other. And then there's going to be a bottom of the barrel group that are just completely anti this. And while I completely understand that they're going through the change curve, you can't focus on the people that are way down in the depression part of that change curve. You've got to focus on the people that are going to be your champions and focus on educating the people that you have an opportunity to lower the dip in the change curve, right? So if you're thinking about the Kubler-Ross change curve, as long as those people are not dipping too low, you've got a chance to save them through education and empowerment. And if they're really low, you can tend to spend all of your focus there and ignore the people that are salivating for learning. And so don't focus heavily on the folks that are at the bottom of that change curve.
Yeah. Yeah. And sometimes you guys just have to make the hard decisions as well.
Absolutely. 100%.
Got it.
This is work, right? If you want a friend, buy a dog.